We get cash off gas bags. Yeah. Ha. Punching all the line, nigga. Let's go. You know we still gas for more. We get cash off gas bags. Going on that glue. Yeah. Thought you knew. P. What's happening? Let's go. OG gas bags, hashtag. Yeah. We get cash off gas bags. We got bombs like it's Baghdad. 450 grams, watch a nigga Baghdad. Let's go, OG gas bags, hashtag. The racks. We get cash off gas bags. Let's go, yeah, bombs like it's Baghdad. Watch a nnigga Baghdad. Let's go. Wake up, stuff my raw paper, and then I turn my scale on and get to the paper. Pre-rolls before I get to my table. I got a bowl of Cheerios, strawberry cream cheese on a bagel. Got on custom fitted polo. My horse ain't in the stable. They treat me like Manolo. They feeling me no homo. Rest in peace to pimp. I'm screwed up, I'm moving slow-mo. Call a lean man, I'ma need another 4, bro. Fly as hell, why as hell, don't take no photos.
Hey yo bro, hey yo bro. Just wanna know, I see y'all down here getting groovy and shit, acting crazy. I just wanna see, can I get a little footage with y'all in my video? Yeah, that's me. Okay.
Yeah. Location confidential. Lil' mama say she wetter than the raindrops on the windshield, and she on that Molly, so she standing like a windmill. And she gas bags, hashtag. Yeah, we get cash on gas bags. We got bombs like it's Baghdad.
If the white man would have recorded that and put National Geographic on it, man, everybody would have wanted to smoke and get out. I just wanted to get it out, man.
Yeah, we get cash on gas bags.